G'day, here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal offcuts and bits and pieces that have come from a cutter, a few rubs sometimes. The rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and the white you can see like there is a reflection of the lights. Okay, we'll start with this piece because this just needs to be faced a bit better. And nice coloured stone. Some of this material hasn't got a lot in it. That piece has just got a little tiny bit of colour bar across there, showing up there. Pieces like this, extra bright bar, very thin. Piece that's broken off something. Big enough to cut a stone, I think. Something like that. I'd suggest maybe just slicing it and make it and have an opal piece in the feature in the centre of a stone. Like I say, some of this is offcuts. Doesn't look like there's anything much in it yet. I hope your camera's catching that red flash in the middle there. There's a little red seam running through here. The lights keep catching the water. Anyway, it is there. Again, a piece like that, probably just shape it. Pendant with a lightning bolt going down through it. Nothing much. Again, just face it up the way it is. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.